Hello, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vishwesh and today we'll be talking about this engine guard that I have installed on my Classic 350. So what this thing is, what are the benefits, the pros and the cons, everything would be discussed in this very video. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the very end. So without any further delay, let's start with this video. Alright guys, so this is a fact that when it comes to Royal Enfield motorcycles, the market is flooded with the accessories that you can use to put onto your motorcycle. And these accessories are basically divided into two categories. One is just for aesthetics and decorative purposes, such as the headlight grills and ropes for the leg guard or something like that. And then there is the category of accessories that are basically functional, such as LED headlamps, the hazard flashes and much more, or even the fog lamps. So what happens is, when we talk about something like the engine guard, this thing actually falls in a category which is pseudo functional. What that means is that this thing actually gives a much more aesthetic appeal to your motorcycle, if we talk about that firstly. Because what happens is, in the front, the Royal Enfield motorcycles are very thin. It's just the engine frame, the chassis frame, and then the engine behind it. There is no protective gear, there is nothing that is going to protect the engine but just a rod of the chassis itself. So what this thing actually does is that it makes it look much more full, much more complete and much more broader, making the bike look much more beefier, which is a nice thing to have. While on the other hand, it imparts the functionality of guarding the engine, hence the name is engine guard. It is actually a very nice product to have on your motorcycle, and this is what I have realized on my recent trip to Jargo Dam, where I had to actually go off-roading unintentionally because there was a glitch in the Google Maps. So I had this peace of mind that my engine is protected all the time because I have installed this right in front of it. What this thing actually does is that it hardly costs around 500 to 600 rupees, which is very cheap of a price when you compare it to the fact that it is going to protect your engine from loose gravel, maybe if you're going on a newly laid out tarmac, to loose stones and bricks or something that might bounce off the front wheel while off-roading or something like that, and it will hit the engine very hard. And in case you have a matte black engine such as mine, if you have a dent or a scratch, believe me, it is going to cost you a bomb to get that thing repaired, because it is not just any part of the motorcycle but the engine itself. So a cheap price of 500 to 600 rupees, which gives you the aesthetic appeal as well as the protection, is something that one should invest in for sure. Talking about the technical specifications, this thing is actually made out of 302 grade stainless steel, which is obviously rust proof and gonna last you for a long time. It comes in matte black and chrome finish both, so it depends on you which one would you like to have. The cost is around 500 to 600 rupees that I have told you. I'm going to drop a link in the description below so you guys can buy this from there for yourself. Also, this thing is compatible with BS2, BS3, BS4 variants as well as the BS6. The variant is different because there is an added catalytic converter in the header pipe itself. So it is available for all of them. Compatibility wise, this thing is compatible with all Royal Enfield motorcycles, including the standard Bullet all the way up to the 650 twins. One thing that I would like to clarify over here is that this is not a sump guard but an engine guard. It is going to protect the engine from the front and not underneath it. So just keep that thing in mind. Also, fitting is very easy. It just comes with a clamp. The clamp goes around the frame, the chassis, and it is fitted with two nuts and bolts in the front. Underneath, it is held by the leg guard itself. And as for the leg guard compatibility, no matter if you're using a single rod leg guard, a trapezium, airfly, or something like this is going to be compatible. So guys, this is pretty much all about the engine guard. I highly recommend that you get this for your motorcycle because the protection it offers is huge. It hardly costs anything and it gives you a peace of mind. Even if you're a city rider who would never plan on going off-roading, just for the sake of aesthetics, you can get it for yourself. If you go on regular off-roadings, or if you know that you might have to go somewhere where the roads are not so good, then also this is a must buy for you. So guys, that was all for today's video. Let me know in the comment section below about this video. What do you think about the engine guard? What do you guys suggest or use? I would love to hear a piece of your mind. Make sure you hit that like, share and subscribe button. As for following me on social media, you can follow me here as well as here. and see you guys in the next. Till the next time, peace.